Austin, Jenny here from New Appliance Outlet, and today I'm excited to show you a washer that's genuinely a game changer. This is the Whirlpool WTW6157PW, and it's doing something no other washer is doing. You've probably asked yourself this before, do I need an agitator or do I need an impeller? Well, with this washer, you don't have to choose. This is the 2-in-1 removable agitator. For your everyday laundry, you've got the agitator post right here, giving you that powerful classic scrub. But what about those big bulky items like a sleeping bag or a comforter? Once you remove the agitator, you'll have a spacious impeller with more room to tumble. It's like 2 washers in one. And what if you have a big load of dirty clothes? Maybe your kids played in the mud, or you just have a week's worth of laundry to get through. Just hit the deep water wash option. It automatically adds more water to the tub, so every piece of clothing gets a full soaking clean. No guessing, no manual filling, just more water when you need it. Now, let's talk about a small detail that makes a big difference: the Easy View glass lid. It's a full-width, slow-close lid, so no more slamming or loud clunks. And since it's see-through, you can keep an eye on your laundry without interrupting the cycle. It's clean, quiet, and oh so convenient. And finally, take a look inside. The smooth spiral stainless steel wash basket isn't just for looks. The unique spiral design gently guides your clothes, preventing snags and tears. This means your fabrics stay looking new wash after wash. This 2-in-1 Whirlpool washer takes the best of both worlds and sticks it right into your laundry room. Come on down to New Appliance Outlet in Austin, or check out our website at newapplianceoutlet.com.